With high-speed networking becoming more readily available, home technologies are being brought online at an astonishing pace. Systems that were once relatively simple standalones are getting connected and becoming part in a much larger family of networks. While these connections make each device much easier to automate and control, every new addition adds another layer of complexity to the architecture of the network itself, which is often taken for granted. You see, a network is a lot like a freeway, and every car on the road is a piece of data traveling from one device to another. And like a freeway, there can be levels of traffic and even gridlock. In today's home automation systems, with more and more devices sending and receiving data, without a strong network, traffic can quickly become a problem. At Joe Automation, we make managing your network traffic our #1 priority. We remove fragmentation, utilize commercial-grade networking hardware, and prioritize data through quality of service to enable fast and reliable traffic. When the data bottlenecks are resolved, all unnecessary lag between your commands and your devices are gone forever. Using our many years of home automation and AV-specific knowledge, Joe Automation is uniquely suited to move your control and media systems out of gridlock and into the fast lane. Give us a call today